Alright, to find the values of the 6 trigonometric functions for theta, first thing we have to do is find the missing side. In this case, looking at theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent, and we don't have the hypotenuse yet. So that's what we're looking for. So we know that using the Pythagorean theorem, that 21 squared plus 28 squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So using our calculator again, so 21 squared gives us 441 plus 28 squared $784. And if we were to add, that's equal to the hypotenuse squared. If I were to take and add those two together, $1225 is equal to the hypotenuse squared. And to get rid of the square, you square root it. So I'm going to take the square root of h squared, and what I do to one side of the equation, I'm doing to the other. So if I take the square root of that answer, I get 35. So h is equal to 35. Okay, so there's my missing side. Okay, sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. Cotangent of theta is adjacent over opposite. Secant of theta is hypotenuse over adjacent, and cosecant of theta is hypotenuse over opposite. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. Opposite over hypotenuse, 21 over 35. A quick way to reduce if you're having issues with that, you can use the calculator. It's rather quick. So you can input the ratio 21 over 35. You get a decimal. Now this one's pretty easy, 6/10, 3/5, right? But let's say you didn't know that. So you can actually go math, hit frac, and it'll automatically give you the reduced fraction. So we've got that equal to 3/5. Okay? Adjacent over hypotenuse, 28 over 35. So again, 28 over 35, 0.8, 8/10, which is 4/5. Opposite over adjacent. So here we got 21 over 28. 7 goes into 21 3 times. 7 goes into 28 4 times. Okay, 3/4. Cotangent is the flip of tangent, so that's 4/3. Secant is the flip of cosine, so that's 5/4. And cosecant is the flip or reciprocal of the sine, which is 5/3. So there's our 6 trig functions for theta in this particular case.